Hi traders, there are a couple of instruments that I want to discuss with you and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Those instruments are American dollar index, euro, Japanese yen and gold. Technically, those are really beautiful instruments that I want to share with you, and if my trading ideas help you, you're welcome to leave your beautiful comment under the video. Okay, I'm a trader, I'm a technical trader, so everything that I will show you is something that I use for myself, and it's not 100% trading idea, but this is technical picture that works for me because I trade with the rules. If you have rules, you are welcome to use my technical picture with you. What means rules? Okay, you need to have rules how to put stop loss, take profit, money management rules, and of course you gotta be strong inside. If you get profit, you don't have to jump around. If you get stop loss, you don't have to cry near your computer. This is just your job. This is something that I do for many years, and you're welcome to stay with me if you want this kind of job to become your regular activity. Okay, let's go to American dollar index. I like to start with American dollar index because technically it helps me to understand when I have to enter market for euro dollar and for Japanese yen as well. Sometimes it helps me, but not always. So when I do have a clear understanding what's going on with the American dollar index, just like it was over here, remember I showed you this support. That was a resistance, support, support. And from this area, you could see a rebound. So market went down up from 100 area to 105.3 area. And you were like, so what's next? What's going on? Look at this. This is the daily picture. Right now, price is being in Ishimoku cloud, okay? And if you check the Ishimoku cloud, the level of resistance goes up to 106 area. If you check levels, I use Fibonacci levels. So if you check levels, the maximum price, the minimum price, and after that correction, so next correction level goes to 106 area as well. And this is technical resistance. It doesn't mean that market has to go there right now, but if it stays above 105 area, we do understand that it'll go up to 106 area. After that, we check weekly chart. Where is the price right now? It's somewhere here, but what is this area about? If you check my whole technical picture, you will see that from 2008, this is like an upgoing trend. And it has different stages, and this blue line, this is the middle part of this upgoing trend. If you follow my YouTube channel for many years, you would know what I use, because, for example, when you have the upgoing tendency like this, and after that they break it, what you do, you just copy the previous channel to a new level. And right now you could see that they reached the maximum price, and that was the height of the previous, channel. So current level of resistance, this is the middle part of current upgoing trend, and also you can see that here is Ishimoku cloud on weekly chart and on daily chart. So it is a strong resistance, and we need really good news for market to break it. And as you know, right now this is the end of February and the beginning of March, which means that we're going to get some news from labor market of America, and after that we are going to get PMI from the whole world, and this will be a really good volatility period. If we go to monthly chart, there is nothing interesting right now, but it may become a good buy signal. It may become, okay? But on monthly chart, if you work on monthly chart, it means that you will buy right now and put stop loss under the minimum price, which is a lot. So we are discussing the general tendency right now. After that, we go to 4-hour chart. Oh, it doesn't look that good as a monthly chart because it seems like market is not that strong, and I can tell you why, because there are no news for today. So what we have level of support 105. We have level of support 104.60 and level of resistance 106. So those are levels that you can work with on 4-hour chart. If you will be like, why do we have a rebound right now? Go to the history and you will see that in the beginning of January there was a resistance, and this can be a reason for us to get a rebound today. Okay, on 1-hour chart, this is still an upgoing tendency, And what I think, it's really good to try to buy American dollar index either above 104.60 or above 105 area. Now, knowing this tendency for American dollar index, we can go to euro dollar. Okay, what we have here, we go to weekly chart. On weekly chart, general tendency from 2008 goes down. From 2008 it goes down. But it does not mean that they are on the way down right now, this week or this month. Seriously, it doesn't mean that. On monthly chart, oh yes, okay, February goes down. So what? Does it mean that we have to sell right now? Does it mean that we will win? No, it doesn't mean that. It just means that, okay, there was a correction, they gave us a rebound, but it doesn't mean that market is ready to go lower. So we just got a rebound, but this is not a sell signal on monthly chart. This is not a sell signal on weekly chart. You can see that market is still being in Shimoku cloud, and it is bad. It is bad that on weekly chart this buy signal with Shimoku indicator is really weak. So I know for future maybe a week or 2 weeks they will stay in a little range, but so far I sell euro and my target goes down to 104.60. Current price is 105.50, and it doesn't mean that it will get there. I just keep doing it under different levels, as I told you before, actually. Okay, now we go to daily chart and we see the end of Ishimoku cloud. Look here, the end of Ishimoku cloud. After that, we see 200 moving average, the red line. This is 200 moving average. This means that over here, market will give us a rebound. It is not good to sell like right now, because in future day or 2 days, yes, they may reach my target 104.60, but after that it looks like they will give me a rebound. So they will reach it, they hit this price and they come back, because all sell signals on daily chart are still weak. Market is not ready to turn down. This is still a correction. If you check levels, look this. This is the bottom part, 29th of September, and this is the top part in the beginning of February. So 104.60 is a correction area with those instruments, with the levels. That's it. Correction, not rebound. We can check another instrument which gives us an understanding if market turned down, and it still didn't turn down. So they're trying to go down, but they still didn't turn down. If they turn down, it means that they will break the third line. They still didn't do this. If we check for our chart, okay, price is under 200 moving average, but it's not an entry point, okay. We go to the support area, and I can tell you that this is a good support area. You can see it with your eyes. You check the previous history and you see with your eyes that this is a good support area, not the current price. But if you want to sell your dollar to this area, you need entry point. Okay, we go to 1 hour chart. What do we get here? It looks like they are still in downtrend, but when do we enter market? When do we sell? I don't have a signal on 1 hour chart. Seriously, I don't. Maybe this will be this price, 105.75. Maybe. So leave this area 105.75 as an entry point for short positions. Let's check on 15-minute chart, 105.75, what it could be. Oh, on 15-minute chart, this is 200 moving average, which is a really good entry point. So if we get rebound from 105.75 and under 105.75, it's still good to hold short positions down to 104.60. This is my opinion. It doesn't mean that you have to trade that way. This is just what I'm gonna do in future, today, tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow. Okay, now we go to Japanese yen, and also I want to share with you a technical picture. For monthly chart, I showed you before. We were still in upgoing trend. And yes, they made a huge correction down to the middle part of this trend. Perfect. They hit Shimoku line. This is the Kijun line. Perfect. And they give us a rebound over here. My congratulations. I told you about this support. It gave us a rebound. So I do congratulate you with your profits. Now we go to weekly chart. It gave us 135, that was the target, okay? Where does it go? It looks like above the Ishimoku cloud on weekly chart, they may hit 139.50 area. 139.50 area. On daily chart, this is still, the Ishimoku cloud resistance. So you're not allowed to buy right now because price is hitting the Ishimoku cloud resistance. So you do not buy with those levels. Okay, what's gonna next on 4-hour chart? Okay, on 4-hour chart, for myself and for my traders friends, I showed the support, which is 135.60, 135.50. So what I'm thinking about is to buy either above this area or after they rebound from this area. So even if they hit it, go down and come back above this area, I'll be fine to buy this up to 139.50 area. So they may go down, test it, give me a rebound and go up, or price may go down, hit it, go lower, after that come back, and above 135.60 area I will buy. Okay, my target will go up to 139 area. So on 1-hour chart there is nothing interesting, but it doesn't look like I want to buy right now because market stopped over here, and I think they will give us a little correction. So now you know where I think it will go to. On 30-minute chart, there is nothing interesting. On 15-minute chart, okay, maybe they will hit the 200 moving average. That's it. Nothing interesting. So I showed you the resistance and the target that I think is important, and I hope it will work for you. Now we move to gold, because on a weekly chart they are touching the 200 moving average, and there are many traders who will be like, oh, we shouldn't sell right now because they're hitting a really strong support. No, it's not strong. Why? Because when 200 moving average is going like this in a horizontal way, it's not strong anymore. It is really strong when they touch it first time, like over here. Look, price was going up, hitting support and going higher. So that was an important support. Now it's not an important support. Under 1,800, they will go lower to 1,780 area. Technically, it will be like a really beautiful idea. But on the daily chart, if you check the Ishimoku cloud, they are still near the support line. They still didn't break it. So this is what I think is interesting as with the euro. But under 1,800, I'm going to try to sell down 1,770. This is my general trading idea. I wish you profits. Stay with me on this YouTube channel. Bye, guys, and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Bye.